Hello students, welcome to e-learning class of Guru Gobind Singh Public School and Junior College Nasik. I am Mrs. Smita, your English teacher of Standard 5th. Today we are going to learn English grammar and our topic is prepositions. Learning objectives. After watching this video, students will be able to know and understand functions of prepositions, to identify the preposition in sentences, to compose sentences to include preposition, to understand grammatical concept. Let us see about prepositions in detail. A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun. As the name itself suggests, preposition. It shows the relationship between certain words in the sentences, namely between the noun or the pronoun and some part of the remaining sentence. Let us see the sentences. Raju chased the dog into a corner. In this sentence, the word into is a preposition and it shows the specific relationship between the dog and corner. Next sentence, he jumped over the wall. David walked slowly through the woods. The street was crowded with shoppers. In all these sentences, into, over, through, with are prepositions. Let us see more about prepositions. There are several categories of prepositions. Three of the most important ones are preposition of direction and motion, preposition of position, and preposition of time. Let us see all the categories one by one. First is preposition of direction and motion, used to express the direction of motion. Prepositions of movement show movement from one place to another place. These prepositions always describe movement and we usually use them with verbs of motion. The most common preposition of movement is the preposition to, which describes movement in the direction of something. Examples: to, on to, into, in, towards, through, after, around, behind, towards. Let us see the sentences. The hunter aimed the arrow at the target. My friend lives across the street from me. The ducks are eating along the river. The girl was sitting among her friends. In all these examples, at, across, along, and among are prepositions of direction and motion. Let us see the next category. Prepositions of position is used to relate where something and someone is located. Preposition of position show the relationship of place between the nouns to the other parts of a sentence. Examples: between, above, after, before, behind, below, under, into, along, by, near, around, on. Sentences: Ravi kept all the books on the table. The red ball is beside the blue box. The child hid behind the door. A guard is stationed at the school gate. In all these sentences, on, beside, behind, and at shows preposition of position. Next category, prepositions of time. Prepositions of time is used to discuss specific time period such as a date. A preposition of time is a preposition that allows you to discuss specific time period such as a date on the calendar, one of the days of the week, or the actual time something takes place. Prepositions of time are the same words as prepositions of place. However, they are used in a different way. Examples: on, in, at, since, for, before, ago, past, till. Sentences: I arrived at the bus stop by 7 a.m. Her birthday is on 20th November. In England, it often snows in December. In all these given examples, at, on, and in shows prepositions of time. Students, let us solve the exercise. Fill in the blanks using suitable prepositions from the bracket, and the options given in bracket are from, since, behind, under, for. Sentence number 1. Mona received letter dash Nina. The correct answer is from. Mona received letter from Nina. The child hid dash the door. The correct preposition is behind. The child hid behind the door. Next, I'll not harm you under any circumstances. The correct option is under. Next, he has been ill since Friday. Suitable preposition is since. He has been ill since Friday. Next, the Great Wall of China was built for protection. Let us revise what we have learned today in summary. Today we have learned meaning of prepositions with examples, categories of prepositions such as preposition of direction and motion, preposition of position, and preposition of time. Students, this is an assignment or homework. Read all the sentences carefully and underline the prepositions in the given sentences. Sentences are: number 1, the boat is sailing under the bridge. The thief jumped over the wall. We get water through a pipe. We shall reach home before sunset. She walked slowly along the street. Thank you.